Now I've got a SodaStream Art, my brand new lovely toy, and I've got also the Fizz and Go bottles, and I wanted to have some fizzy pop because I do love sparkling water a lot. It's delicious, really refreshing, but I also like a bit of pop. And I picked up these Florida branded cream sodas in particular, and they do tons of different flavour. I've never tried it before, so I wanted to try one that I thought I was going to like first, which is the cream soda. You get with it a little scoop, and there are some instructions as well, but I won't show it because it's got the website address on there. But you use basically one of these in with one of your full pumped waters. This is the bottle that you get with the SodaStream Art. But again, you could put it into your Fizz and Go if you wanted your pop to go. The way that you do it is you make your water first. You do not put your syrups into the bottle first because it obviously, this has got a nozzle on there and you'll end up flavouring the nozzle and you might end up blocking it up with syrups. This is a sugar-free version. They do sugar-free and regular as well, but I prefer the sugar-free. And it's one of these per full measure of one of these to get your pop. So I'm going to try this out and pop it in and see how it tastes. I have to tell you, it smells so good. Let me see if I can get it in there without spilling it. I, in fact, did not spill it. I'm really impressed with myself. Let's put the lid on. I'm not going to shake it too vigorously because it is sparkly. Just give it a little swirl. Look at those bubbles. It smells so nice. There we go. Let's have a go. Let me see if it tastes like the real deal. Does it taste like the supermarket zone? Does it taste like the premier one? Does it taste like the pop bottles from when you was a kid? Oh, that's nice. It's a touch strong for me, which is good because it means I can use less of it. But that is really nice. Very much tastes like the supermarket own one. Very pleasant indeed. I enjoyed that. I'm definitely going to get some more. And I really like the fact that it's sugar free. I'll be using less plastic, less bottles, carrying less stuff home from the supermarket. So that was very impressive.